Welcome back to Predis. My name is Cosmo, and of course, you're still at Daydreams, and I'll be here vibes. Right now, we're going to be talking about Roddy Ricch. He's a dancer. More than likely, I've seen him in a lot of music videos. Recently, he was in the Shaggy and Allen For Your Eyes Only. Crazy things right there. So the tune, body man. So right now, we're going to catch up with. We're going to catch up with Roddy Ricch. Kevin, talk to the man. We're going to find out what his career is like and what it's about being a dancer and what new dances he has coming out. So yo, listen up to Roddy Ricch. Watch the pre-mens. Mad.
Nip on your case, y'all nip on your case, nip on your case.
I bring a different flavor. Like, I'm totally a different kind of dancer. I'm a dancer, I also do singing. So right now, I'm in the studio, you know, recording some things. Like, I'm working on my vocals, you know, so I can do both works, like dancing and singing, you know. But right now, people really know me as a dancer. I've been dancing from exactly, my mom said I was dancing from I was 2. So, you know, I've been dancing majority all my life. How I get in dancing, like Michael Jackson, he's my idol from birth, you know. He's my idol, so it's like, he's a person I look up to from I was younger, and I always wanted to be like him. So, push myself, you know, to do my best to be like him.
Love is for your eyes only.
That's right.
Love is for your
These videos helped me a lot. Like, I've got shows in France, you know, Guadeloupe, you know, been in Cayman, you know, some small islands and things, because people see me in music videos, you know, Shaggy and Allen, Your Eyes Only. People love that video, like, wow, you know. People call me over, say they want me to do shows and things, so, you know, I just deal with it. I wouldn't say not really 100, but, you know, 50% of my money that come from dancing. Yeah, like, because, you know, I promote myself that well, so, you know, I get gigs. I have a dance move called Roddy Ricch. So sick, I swear. You know, everybody know my dance move before that. Bada wave, shot. Everybody love it, you know. But Roddy Ricch and the new one, we're gonna make a swag one soon, so don't worry yourself, alright?
Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name? Oh na na, what's my name?
What's going on?
That's great. That's a great party. Thank you.
All right, good. So what brought you here tonight?
Well, let me tell you, for me, part of my job is to know Jamaican culture.
Yes.
So I am getting some of the Jamaican culture now.
Okay, so are you impressed with tonight's proceedings?
Yes, I'm great. I mean, I knew the Elephant Man. So,
All right. How would you say elephant man in Spanish?
El hombre elefante.
El hombre elefante. All right, so you're enjoying the party.
I am here in the party.
I'm also going to leave her to enjoy yourself. You know, I might just have to come back here when it's all over. So right now we're talking about music video, and of course you have a brand new one from Shaggy and Mavado. What's going on?
Greetings from Mexico.
All right, how does party in Mexico compare to party in here?
Well, for Mexico, this will be a great thing, you know. So I am sorry that Mexicans cannot be here, but I am representing all Mexico.
Right, she's representing for Mexico.
She not dead, but that's how me coach that. Me laugh when me hear some boy a blow up girl phone job. Funny when you're coming home, pity him no know that another man a hooks out belly like pork, not a joke that. Wife it up while me a stroke that.
Yeah, if you girl a mine, every girl come a wine. Wanna watch your girl spend every dime, spend every penny, spend every dollar kind. The girls them love we, the girls them love we. You know so the girls them love we, the girls
Hey yo, the party are going, you know. You don't have to take my word for it, you know. Just look around. Everyone man say just look around. So let's take a second commercial break and we'll come back with a lot more stuff for you. You don't know you're watching Predis. We're so forward.